Now if you've been watching my videos, you'll have seen that I just installed this grab bar right here for this toilet. And what else did I say I was going to install in this bathroom? Yes, we're going to take this toilet seat off, and we've got, what do we have here? What is this? Here it's a toilet safety bar from Delta, and that's what I'm going to install next. If you want to check that out, keep watching my videos. Okay, I'm ready for the next step. What you see is what I see for the first time. I have not put one of these together yet. I haven't even flipped this up yet, but I know this is going to go up, and this here is going to go right like that, and it has some little plastic threads, and you know, do I really have to read that to see if that goes down first? Boy, I guess I better read it. I don't think the plastic, nah, the plastic could not go there. What does the directions say, anybody?
Right here.
Well, does it say that the little threads, see, it's not even showing. It's not even showing the plastic threads there. Oh, okay. Washer. It's showing these other plastic threads. When this is down like that, this is going to fit in whatever slide we have here. See, there's four grooves here.
Yep.
And depending what type of seat you have and whether or not you have an elongated bowl or a round bowl, we're going to put this in, and that's just going to be to help hold everything. So that. I guess that's kind of slick. That's what that's for. We go back to this, and this is kind of punched out for the threads here. This is gonna help support it. At first glance, I wasn't like thinking this was going to work too well, but we're going to see once and for all, once we get it mounted, how sturdy it's going to be. Spend a few moments, read the directions, make sure you understand how it all goes together, and then get her done. Okay, the next step is we have to go in there and remove the toilet seat.